guys, welcome to the Bali Bird Park, where 7 unique zones mimic birds' natural habitats. Explore the Sumatran jungles, Far East Indonesia, African savanna, and more. From golden macaws to the birds of paradise, discover their real homes. Join us for a colorful adventure. Let's go! You can book your tickets through their official website or visit these links. For us, it was 39 Australian dollars per person and we got ours at the location. On my screen, you can also see all the information regarding the bird shows and their timings as per agoda.com. Hey guys, we are now at Bali Bird Park. It's very close to our resort. It's like about 30 minutes by road, and already we can hear the birds. It was a great idea to go for coconut water to beat the heat, and we just love having it.
What's your name?
Sid.
Sid. Okay, you sitting right here. Okay. Okay, your hand like this is okay. So everybody, see you going for the last time for your one. And for the next time, we have a teacher. So once again, thank you very much for joining us. I hope you enjoy.
Oh!
Island of Bali.
Wow! We had an amazing encounter with the birds and we thoroughly enjoyed our experience. The red-tailed cockatoo sat on my head while I was enjoying my coconut water. And then we started to walk further into the rainforest to spot more of these amazing creatures, and we were amazed at every point. We have come across these parakeets called mustached parakeets. So cute. I must say that this is really a must visit if you're here in Bali, and they have got all kinds of species from all over the world of birds, and they have literally left them out in the open. Some of them they are caged, but many of them are also out in the open, and they are all so pretty. The way they have actually preserved this whole park, maintained it is very well. Like literally, it's very clean. There was also a house that had all different species of owl. However, it was super dark inside, so it was not possible to record. And with this, our beautiful playdate with the birds came to an end. So let's end this video with a little cockatoo dance, shall we?